Hello friends, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a holiday's favorite dish. On this video, you will need 3 to 4 pounds of sweet potato. So we'll be making a sweet potato casserole. An easy way to do the sweet potato, guys, is to boil them. So here, I didn't show you how I boiled it, but boil the potatoes until they're tender. And I'm just showing you how you peel them. And immediately after, use a potato masher or a fork to mash your sweet potatoes. And make sure, guys, that you get all the lumps out, because you will still use a blender, but do the mashing with the fork first. And this entire recipe will be in my description box. So you would need 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now I kind of started out gradually here in the video, guys, because I started with 1 tablespoon and I gradually added more as needed. And next you will need 2 dash of nutmeg. Now be very careful with the nutmeg because it's a strong spice. Some people use a pinch of ginger, but I didn't use the ginger. I only had nutmeg. And then add 2 tablespoons of pure vanilla. Pure vanilla works a whole lot better than imitation vanilla. And if you need more, add gradually. Then 2 tablespoons of flour and use as needed. And the flour is used to keep it held together, because this is not going in a crust, guys. But I found out you can also put this recipe in a pie crust if you choose to. 1 stick of melted butter. This recipe reminds me of the recipe my mom used to make when we were small. It's called sweet potato poon. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know if y'all ever heard of that, but it's the same recipe without the peanuts. And begin to blend, guys, and the blending will help get more of the lumps out and it'll mix it more thoroughly for you, because you want it to be well mixed together. Okay, guys, don't forget to taste it, because I forgot to put the sugar in it. So here I'm putting a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of sugar. And I did add a little more as needed. I added a little more cinnamon and vanilla and a little more nutmeg, because you have to taste this and test this and see if it's to the accurate taste that you like. The recipe for me is just a guideline. So I'm trying to guide y'all along with this. Tell me on the video, on the comments, guys, if you have tried this sweet potato casserole or sweet potato souffle. So I hope that y'all having a blessed and prosperous evening. I hope that you guys are enjoying these holiday videos. I want to thank my friends, all those that have participated with me. Thank you so much, because I know it has not been easy. And on the end, guys, you'll see me put the eggs in last. So make sure you have everything mixed well before you put the eggs in so you can taste it. Thank y'all so much for watching. And when you finish mixing, making sure that everything well blended together, just add it into your baking dish, and I did put a little bit of butter in the bottom of my pan and just smooth it out. And that's it, guys. And the next step, we're going to make the toppings. Little dashes of cinnamon. And the next time I do this, guys, I'm going to add a cap full of vanilla with it. But on this one I did, and it still tasted pretty good. Add a half a cup of flour. Guys, just gradually melt 5 to 6 teaspoons of butter. Then mix it thoroughly. Make sure you're mixing it well. And after that, the only thing you have to do is spread your pecan topping on top of your sweet potatoes. That's it. Place your dish in a 350-degree preheated oven. I timed it for 45 minutes. Now it will vary to your size of dish and the heat of your oven. Guys, it has smelled so good. It really already smelled like it's Thanksgiving. I was so anxious. I couldn't wait. I was trying to cut it. It was cool, but it wasn't cool enough. So that's why it's falling apart. But when you wait and don't be so anxious like me, it'll come together. all at once when it's real cool. But I'm telling you guys, you will love this. The first time I tried this dish was in Florida, and I loved it. Next time, I'm going to put it in a pie shell. I thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Leave a like and a comment. Thank y'all, and have a blessed holiday. Bye-bye from Penny.